Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to see how to send and receive value across many pages, or how to send number, or how to send string, or how to receive number, or how to receive string between many page, and how to switch between page, or how to send and receive value to a specific page. Okay, let me start. We are going to cover all this topic in one video. First of all, no need to write anything and no need to do anything in Nextion editor. I will provide you the code, the Nextion code and the Arduino code. You can simply scroll down and download them from the description. Okay, let me start. First of all, let me run the code. First of all, as you can see here, before running, we have here text 1, text 2, text 3, text 4. I want to send text 1 and text 2 to Arduino, and I want to receive from the Arduino two value and put them in text 3, the first one, and the second one in text 4. This is about page 1. Now let's move to page 2 before running, as I told. And at the page 1, I want to send the number and 0 here to Arduino, and in page 2 I want to receive from Arduino a number and put it here. Okay, let me run the code to show you. First of all, as I told you, I want some example to send mega, for example, this string to Arduino. And here you can type anything you want. For example, make mega and mechanical, for example, mechanical. So here I want to send the value of text of the text here to the Arduino, and the value of the second text here to the Arduino. This one, let me show you 1 minute to increase the width of the text. Okay, again, as I told you, for example, I want to send mega, for example, that in the text 1, and in the text 2 I want to send mechanical, for example, mechanical. Okay, as you can see here. And now in the second page, second part here, I want to receive from Arduino two string and put them, the first one here and the second one here, as I told you before. And here in the page 1, I want, for example, to send number 12 to the Arduino. This number should be read from Arduino. And in this second page, number 2 here, I want to receive number from Arduino. For example, if I send from Arduino number 2, so that I should see here number 2, for example, and 3, 4, any number that put it from Arduino. Okay, let me start. For example, let me go to the Arduino now before running. As you can see here, as I told you, no need to write anything. I will provide you by both the Arduino code and the Nextion code. Here, one important thing, you should include the easy Nextion library.h. Don't forget to include the library. And after that, if you have if you have any question, or if you don't know how to upload the code from Nextion editor to Nextion, you can simply go back to my first video and see how. Especially the videos that contain Nextion and audio. I will also provide the description of the code below, of the video below. Okay, this is, for example, an integer and the string value here. Void setup, this is serial begin, serial communication, and void loop here to repeat the code, to check the code, check the page, check the code every 1000 millisecond, so 1 second. Void loop and void first page. Now our target is not here, but of course, if you have any question related to this code above, you can simply put a comment on the comment section. Okay, void refresh 0. Here I will explain quickly. First of all, text 1 equal my Nextion.read string t1.txt. What I mean by t1.txt, as you can see here, t1. So I want text 1 to hold the value of t1 of t1 here, and here text 2 my next equal my next dot read string text2.txt. So here also I mean that I want the value of t2.txt, as you can see, t2.txt, to be stored on the string text2. And here in addition, my Nextion dots the right string, as I told you before. I want, for example, to store in the text3.text, here in the text3 value I want to store Nextion. For example, you can store ABC, you can store anything you want, or you can define string in the beginning and give it a value. Okay. Okay, in addition, the t4.txt, it is here. You can, when I run the code, I will show what I mean by write.str, as I told you. For example, here in the section t3 here, so should be displayed by ABC and here ABC and T4 should hold the value after running, of course, editor. Okay, and now after that I wrote text1 dot text1 is the value of text1 should be here, should be hello, and the value of text2 here should be it's okay. I will show you while running the code. And avoid refresh page one when page one it's opened. uh, dot read number, this is an integer value, as you can see. Okay, so I want to read the value of a 0.val that in page 1, as you can see, and store it in number read integer. And in page 2 I want to set to write number, to write in 0 here. I want to write, for example, 12. You can put 55, any number you want. Or as I told you also, you can define an integer and give it a value that you want. Okay, this is all about a general overview on the Arduino code and the Nextion code. Now let's go to run the code and see what's happening while running. As I told you before I run, no need to write anything. You can scroll down and download the Arduino code and the Nextion editor code. Okay, now let's see the code is running now. As I told you, the steps of uploading the code to the Arduino and to the Nextion has been skipped. It's not difficult. If you don't know how, I will, as I told you, go to my first two video and see how. Okay, let me start. First of all, as you can see here, the value here hello, the string hello. Now it's okay. Here ABC and here editor. Okay, for example, let me move to the Arduino code now. Let me start a serial monitor. Okay, as you can see here, text 1 is hello, text 2 is it's okay. Let me change the text 1. For example, if I want to put, let me show you, let me write A, B, C, D, for example, and okay. So now, as you can see in the Arduino serial monitor, text 1 is A, B, C, D. Now it's, instead of it's okay, I will write GGG, for example. Okay. Now, as you can see, text 1 is ABCD, text 2 is GGG. Now, if I want to send from Arduino to the Nextion, let me move back and go to page 1, page 0. Here in this section, for example, I want to put, instead of ABC, I want to put mega, and here the same value, mega, and text 1. In addition, here I want to write engineering, ENG, and here ENG. After that, upload the code, press on upload. Uploading. Okay, done upload. Now plug the serial communication again. As you can see, mega, mechanical, or anything, ANG. Okay, now so far you can send and receive string between Arduino and Nextion, send or receive between from Arduino to Nextion and from Nextion to Arduino. This is all about page one. Let's move to the page two. Before that, let me run the serial monitor to see, and the code, as you can see, the code is print page 0. When I switch to page 1, as you can see here, page 1, the number is 0. Let me change the number. For example, I want the number to be 12. Now, as you can see, the number is 12, number is 12, 12, 12. Let me change it again, 1 to 1. As you can see, last time 999. As you can see, the number is 999, and I am currently in the page 1. Now let's move to the last page in page 2. Next, as I told you, the receive number from Arduino. So the value that I want to show on the Arduino should be put here. For example, let me put, for example, instead of 555666. Okay, let me put again 666. After that, upload the code directly. Okay, put the serial communication and reset again. And as I told you, page 012. So far, we have learned how to send and receive string from Arduino to Nextion and from Nextion to Arduino in the page 0. And in the page 1, we have learned how to send number from Nextion to Arduino. And in page 3, we have learned how to send number from Arduino to Nextion. Okay, this is all about our video today. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and like to our channel. And you can simply scroll down and download the codes from the description section. And thank you for your watching.